Hello students. Up to now we have discussed about the some basic concept related to money like barter system, double coincidence of want, why money was invented, and then we have discussed about why money was accepted as medium of exchange. Now another some basic terms related to this topic we are going to discuss. First, that is credit. Credit means loan, an agreement in which the lender supply the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise of future payment. Means there is an agreement between lender and borrower. Both they can exchange the money, goods or transfer in return of future payment. Second term is collateral. An asset that borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with the bank, and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. It means when a person want to take the loan or borrower want to take the loan, he has to keep as a guarantee something, then he can repay the loan. If the person will not be able to repay the loan, then these collaterals are used and take out the payment. Next, term of credit. Interest rate, collateral, documentation requirement, and the mode of repayment. All these comprises terms of credit. Documentation means when a person want to take the loan, he has to complete the documentation form. He has to fill the form and he has to attach some ID proofs, identity cards, like he can took the photocopy of his permanent address, his permanent phone number, or maybe the any other document, and the mode of repayment. All these comprise terms of credit. Lender. Who is a lender? A person or organization who provides money, goods or services. And the borrower is the person who take the money, goods or services from the lender, from the other person or organization for the future repayment. Next, we are going to discuss that what is the role of credit. Credit plays two different roles. One is positive, another is negative. Now we are going to discuss the positive role. You can see one example is given here. In festive season, one person has taken the loan and then he fulfilled his all requirement, he got profit, and then he returned the money which he has taken as a loan. So in this situation of profit and less risk, this helps the borrower to meet the working needs of production on time. In this situation, credit plays positive role. Negative role of credit. Here, the situation of high risk is there. What do you mean by situation of high risk? In which the conditions are not fulfilled. For example, Swapna, she is a small farmer. She has taken loan from the money lender to grow the crops, but in the way her crops are eaten by the pest, she was not able to repay the loan. Next year again she take the loan and then grow the crops, and now this was a normal harvest year. She was able to repay the loan, but only one loan, because she has earlier loan also, earlier interest rate also, and this year loan and interest. So she was not able to fulfill all the loans requirement. In return, she has to sell a small piece of land from his portion, in which recovery is very painful. So where the high risk situation is there, in that situation credit plays negative role for the borrower. Why do banks do when they accept cash from public? Earlier we have discussed when people they have extra cash, they opening an account in the bank and deposit money in the bank. Now this is the turn of bank. What do bank do when they accept cash from public? Another we can ask also that how bank mediate between those who have surplus money and those who need money. Banks keep only 15% cash with themselves. Whatever the cash bank accept from the public or people deposit in the bank, from that amount only 15% cash bank keep themselves. Rest of the amount or large portion of money, or we can say that 85% cash he use to provide the loans to the needy people. Why this money 15% cash bank with themselves? This is kept as provision to pay the depositor who might come to withdraw, because a person who has deposited the money in the bank, any day he can come and he can demand his amount. So the money from the bank on the given day. A major portion of deposit bank used to extend the loans. In this way, bank mediate between those who have surplus money means lender, and those who need money means borrower. So in this way, who has the surplus money, they deposit in the bank, who require the money, they take the money as a loan from the bank. In this way, bank mediate between those who have surplus money and those who need money. Bank charge high rate of interest from the borrower and pay less interest to the depositor. So the difference between these two, high rate and less interest, the difference between these two, they are the main source of income of bank. Suppose bank is giving interest rate 7% and taking interest on loan that is 14 or 15%. So the difference between two, 7% and 15%, that is the main source of income of bank.